In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line at any angle in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, start the line command by typing L and pressing Enter. You'll see the command prompt change and the program will wait for your first point. Click anywhere in the drawing area to set the first point. You can use a left mouse click or, if you prefer precision, type coordinates and press Enter instead. This anchors the start of your line, so the next inputs will determine its exact length and direction. Next, enter the length of the line. With the line command still active, simply type the distance you want, for example 50, and then press the Tab key. Typing the number puts the length into the current input field, and pressing Tab moves focus to the angle field. If you use dynamic input, these fields may appear right next to the cursor. If not, check the command line at the bottom of the screen where the same prompts are shown. When the angle field becomes active, type the desired angle and press Enter. For example, typing 45 will draw a line at a 45-degree angle from the positive x-axis. By default, angles are measured in degrees counterclockwise from the x-axis. If you need a clockwise angle, you can enter a negative value or use the appropriate absolute reference. The important point is that the angle you type controls the direction precisely, so you don't need to eyeball or rotate afterwards. Finally, confirm and finish by pressing Escape. Pressing Esc exits the line command and leaves you with the single line you just defined. If you need to draw another angled line, you can repeat the same inputs. Start the line command, set a starting point, enter length, tab to angle, enter angle, and finish. Keep an eye on the command line or dynamic input so you know which field is active at any moment. As a quick tip, always verify your drawing units and angle settings in case the values don't match what you expect. That's it. A quick, accurate way to draw a line at any angle in AutoCAD using the length and angle